Sons of Eden.
I'm sorry, I don't think they're ready for that.
One, two.
Hang on, let me show you where the rock and roll is.
What is this?
Rock and roll!
Here's the rock and roll.
Oh no.
Here's the rock and roll.
Here's the rock and roll. This is rock and roll.
Rock and roll, right?
Here's the rock and roll. Go again, boys, please. That Friday night I saw you walking. I walked you with another man. You told me that it was your brother, but my name ain't Storytime. The other day I had you talking to your friend. Girl, you told them you were 18, but you didn't like it. And all you do is lie, yeah. And you know you should have lied to me. You knew that you're not into drinking, not into cherry wine. The other day I caught you late. You couldn't walk the street line, and all you do is lie. You know you should have lied to Mom. Girl, don't you try to lie to me. Girl, don't you try to lie to me. Oh, boy, tell her. I'll tell you why, baby. You got to be true to me, honey. You always try to lose my mind. Well, let me know what the problem is, 'cause I feel like I'm gonna be on fire. Give it no time, give it no time, lie to me. Oh, baby, you lie to me. Oh, you do lie. You know you should lie to me. Lie. You know you should lie to me. Lie. All you do is lie. I don't know why. Why, baby, no, baby, no. Oh, well, you know it's a lie. Girl, don't you try, lie to me. Girl, don't you try, lie to me. Gonna make it sorry that you did now. Girl, don't you try, lie to me. What do you take me for? Oh, girl, don't you try, lie to me. Don't you try. Girl, don't you try, lie to me. 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 I think people are a bit shocked at first by the heavy guitars, and they look at me and the band, and being black and British, I don't expect that kind of sound. I mean, it's probably the first of its kind, but once they can hear that it's sincere and we're not just doing it because it's a novelty aspect, they just like it, you know.
It just, I mean, at the moment we're kind of influenced by a lot of like Jimi Hendrix, Sly Stone, the harder end of the black music industry, which is the end that really influenced a lot of the rock bands in the first place anyway, right? So it's a matter of missing out a middle section and going right to the core of where it's all coming from. So we're not really bothered with how people see or the labels or whatever, we just go for it.
Standing by the subway, waiting for the homebound train. My mind starts to float down memory lane, thinking about a girl that I once seen and had to let go, even though it made me blue. She was a rich girl in a rich family. I was so poor. She was the one who took us out to eat. To one day my pride took a hold of me, and I said I'm sorry, but I just got to leave. I said, Kathleen, don't you fall in love with me, 'cause I'm no good for you. Take another fish from the sand. I'm begging you, Kathleen, can't you see just what I need? You're a high-class girl in my low-down world, ain't you see? Money doesn't mean nothing to me, 'cause after all, they say the best things in life are for, check it out, free. Girl, did you hear what your daddy said? Rather than this together, oh, if it's fair to be dead. Oh no, my Kathleen, don't you fall in love with me, 'cause I'm no good for you. Take another fish from the sea. I'm begging you, Kathleen, can you see just what I need? You're a high-class girl in my low-down world, ain't you see? But now I realize what I said was wrong. No, it was wrong all along, but it's much too late, 'cause now my girl, she's gone, gone, gone. Kathleen, don't you fall in love with me, 'cause I'm no good for you. Take another kiss from the side. Kathleen, need to see just what I need. You're a high nobody but you. 1, 2, 3. Nobody, baby. Nobody. I don't want nobody, baby. Nobody but you. And as I told you, I found someone else. But you didn't believe that. That I can't ever find myself. How can I convince you, babe? One day I'll break your heart, so would you? You'd be so foolish. You weren't so damn smart. Now listen. I can love anybody but you. No, no, honey child. I can love anybody but you. You got some wicked ways, which I really despise. I wanna be a free man, oh yeah. But I don't want to tie. But it seems I can't leave you for heaven or hell. I'd be a stranger, babe. You didn't know me so well. Yes, but it's too late. I can love anybody but you. No, no, honey child. I can love anybody but you. You hear what I'm saying? I can love anybody but you. I swear to God, I believe it's true. I can love anybody but you. Girl, you must be crazy. Sometimes it makes me wanna shout. I can't live with your love, but I sure can't do without it. Only way to stop it is long before it starts. You'd be a fool, maybe, but so damn smart. Check it to me. things that she never used to. What do you say when she starts complaining? Getting in your head and making you blue. What do you do when you start reminiscing? Thinking about the good times that we had. I gotta leave it all behind before it starts driving me mad. Gonna find me another love. I'm gonna find me another love. Gonna find me another love. What do you do when you're not a heartbreaker, but being nice in no way? You must slow down, can't leave it too late ago. There are no time to worry all day. All I do is reminisce, thinking about the time you had. I gotta leave it all behind before it starts driving me mad. Gonna find me another love. I'm gonna find me another love. Gonna find me another love. Skip, yeah. Oh, find me something great. I will. And now that I made up my mind, another love, I'm gonna find another guy I'm gonna hold. Gonna find me another love. Baby, I'm gonna find another. Gonna find me another love. Oh, I want something good. I'll take you to the beach, y'all. And now that I made up my mind, another love, I'm gonna find another guy I'm gonna hold. Gonna find me another love. Baby, find me another love. Gonna find me another love. Oh, I want something real.
He's still there.
My mate. That's what's left of the ride.
Get off.
Yeah, now get off. Go on. Off. Bye. Off it.
Talking about a family man. Family man. Oh, yes, I am. Everybody clap your hands. Do it for the family man. Everybody. I need you to keep on rocking, don't stop. Keep on moving to your drum. Keep on rocking, don't stop. Keep on moving to your drum. Where you used to be a road, but that's no lie. Couldn't care if you live, couldn't care if you die. Getting high, getting drunk, out with the gang. Hey, you were so bad they should have made your hand. Used to be a swinger, ain't no lie. Hey, on to women all at the same time. Never had no money, but you lived like a rich. Almost all your money off of something. now you're trying to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. You used to be a road, that's no lie. Couldn't carry if you live, couldn't carry you to die. Then you met a girl by the name of Sue. She looked just like her mother, she was bad as thing. 9 months later, you were totally changed. Now you walk from the church to be born again. And now, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. But there's no way out, there's no turning back. Keep it in a family. Oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. Do you know what I mean? Now you're trying to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you're trying to be a family man. Took it down a little. Whoa, trying to be a family man, and you trying to be a family man. Take it down a little more, like you did before. Take it down a little bit more. We're on channel 4. Hello. Can anybody in Inverness sing? Oh, whoa, now you try to be a family man. I said, oh, whoa, now you trying to be a family man. Hit me. I said, oh.
Well, Family Man, Family Man is basically about a few people that I know and have met through my career so far. It kind of shocked me because when I think about their past and what they're doing now, it's a real contradiction. I mean, for instance, I met Ozzy Osbourne. We were rehearsing in the same place as him, and I didn't actually recognise him for the first couple of days while we were rehearsing there. We used to eat in a canteen together. I didn't know who he was because he was just so quiet. He's with his wife, and she's like, and his kid, and she's like telling him where it's at and what to do. And after seeing him on stage and everything, and he's got such a wild man of rock reputation, I was quite shocked to see how sort of passive and settled he was, you know. But I suppose, I hope I don't get like that.
And you try to be a family man.
Yeah, tape's done.
Let's go.
Treadle.
All right, man. This time we're gonna kick ass. You know what I mean?
Well, Dennis, oh, well, I know you heard so many people say I got a different girl in every town. Oh, but there must be somebody telling lies and spreading rumors all around. My only joy is a creditor waiting for me when I get home, yeah. And what I is good like you to call my very own. So you gotta feel me, baby. Yeah, you gotta feel me, baby. Yeah, you gotta feel me, baby. Oh, wanna give me some love. Well, I don't put our heart like this to everyone, not anyone that I meet. And I know it isn't wide, cause I feel just fine. Can't you see, baby, I'm still on my feet. But I cut it hard, that's my only joy, waiting for me. When I get home, yeah. And what I need is a girl like you. Oh, baby, call me very own. So you gotta feel me, baby. Call me baby. Oh, feel me, baby. Call me baby. Girl, you gotta feel me, baby. Got to give me some love, baby, baby. Come on now. Oh, a good joy, that's my only joy. When it's me, when I get home. What I need is a girl like you. Just a call from a very own. So you gotta feel me, baby. Oh, feel me, baby. Then will feel me, baby. You got to give me some love, baby. Hear me. First thing in the morning, last thing in the night. Girl, you gotta love me and treat me so right. First thing in the morning, last thing in the night. Girl, you gotta love me and treat me so right. Girl, you gotta feel, come on. If I told you once, I told you 2 times. Girl, you gotta feel, come on, baby. If I told you 2 times, I told you 3 times. Girl, you gotta feel, come on, baby. If I told you 3 times, I told you 4 times. Girl, you gotta feel, come on, baby. If I told you 4 times, I told you 5 times. Girl, you gotta feel. Hey, 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 yeah. If I told you 5 times, I told you 10 times. No, you gotta feel. What's wrong with you? 10, 10, 10. If I told you 10 times, I told you 100 times. Girl, you gotta feel. gotta do? Do you know what you gotta do? I know what I gotta do. I know what I gotta do. Feel, come on, darling. You got to feel, oh baby. I said feel, oh baby. I said feel, I said feel, I said feel, 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 feel. Come on. Early in the morning, last again at night. Girl, you gotta love it. It's deep in so right. You got to feel, oh baby. Early in the morning, feel, oh darling. You got to feel, oh baby. I'll say it again. You got to feel, oh lady. You know you got to feel. Please, please get me, please get me, please get me. Give me some.
You two happy makes up for it. Paul's been through a lot of rough patches, but he's always been a good friend. And I think